Hi students, this topic about classification of boranes. This topic is important to CSIR NET exam. In this video, I can give classification of boranes, which is closo, nido, arachino, hypo and clado. If BnHn minus 2 or BnHn plus 2 is there, we can say closo-borane, as well as BnHn minus 4 or BnHn plus 4 we can say nidoborane. Like that, if minus 6 is there, we can say arachino, and 8 we can say hypo, and 10 we can say cladoboranes. These are the examples of closo, nido, arachino, borane. If 2 atoms of boron, we can say di, 3 is tri and 4 tetra, 5 penta, 6 hexa, 10 deca and 2